to be present on this momentous occasion of the inauguration of the newly created court ওখানে জয়েন করেন চিফ ওখানে জয়েন করবে তো ভিডিও Good morning, honorable dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. It is a matter of immense pride and privilege to be present on this momentous occasion of the inauguration of the newly created court of the Civil Judge Junior Division and the court of the Judicial Magistrate of the first class here at Malbazar. The coming together of the legal fraternity and the local community has created an atmosphere of profound joy and celebration. It is this shared sense of happiness and appreciation that now brings us to one of the highlights of today's program, the Felicitation ceremony. With great pleasure, we now begin the felicitation segment of today's events, where we honor and recognize our distinguished guests. The Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha, Judge, High Court at Calcutta, and the Judge in Charge Jalpaiguri may please be felicitated by Learned Shathi Mukherjee, Learned Additional District and Sessions Judge, Jalpaiguri. Learned Additional District and Sessions Judge, 4th Court Jalpaiguri, Shri Somnath Chakraborty, may please present the mementos to Honorable Justice Mr. Kaushik Chandu, Judge, High Court at Calcutta. May I now request Mr. Sanjoy Ranjan Pal, Learned Additional District and Sessions Judge, Malbazar, to welcome Honorable Justice Rai Chattopadhyay, Judge, High Court at Calcutta. May I now request Shri Anupam Sarkar, Learned Secretary DLSA, to present the token of appreciation to Honorable Justice Mr. Ajay Kumar Gupta, Judge, High Court at Calcutta. Shri Biraj Bishwas, Minister of State for the Law and Judicial Department and the North Bengal Development Department, Government of West Bengal, may be felicitated by Mr. Indranil Bhattacharya, Learned District and Sessions Judge, Jalpaiguri. Learned District and Sessions Judge, Jalpaiguri, may be felicitated by Srimati Pema Bhutia, Learned Civil Judge Junior Division, 2nd Court, Jalpaiguri. Srimati Sudeshna Samanto, Learned Civil Judge Junior Division, Jalpaiguri, is requested to welcome Shri Vibhuti Kheshong, Learned Registered Circuit Bench of High Court at Calcutta at Jalpaiguri. With that, we bring the felicitation ceremony to a close, and now we move on to the next part of the program. I would request Mr. Shurajit De, Learned Register, Inspection 2, Honorable High Court at Calcutta, to take over the proceedings from here. Thank you.
With the leave of the Honorable the Acting Chief Justice, a very warm welcome and respected good morning to all. It is indeed a matter of immense pride and privilege to welcome you all to this historic occasion, the inauguration of the courts of Civil Judge Junior Division and Judicial Magistrate First Class at Malbazar. I seek your Lordship's kind indulgence to request Learned District Judge Jalpaiguri to commence the proceeding of inaugural function. My Lord. Learned District Judge.
Good morning, the Honorable Mr. Justice Topobroto Chakraborty, the Acting Chief Justice of the High Court at Calcutta, the Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha, Judge, High Court at Calcutta, and Zonal Judge of the Jalpaiguri District, the Honorable Justice Parthasarathi Sen, Judge, High Court at Calcutta, and Additional Zonal Judge of the Jalpaiguri District, the Honorable Justice Mr. Kaushik Chando, the Honorable Judge, High Court, Calcutta, the Honorable Justice Rai Chattopadhyay, Judge, High Court at Calcutta, the Honorable Justice Mr. Ajay Kumar Gupta, Judge, High Court at Calcutta, the Honorable Minister of State for Law and Judicial Department, and other officials of the Public Works Department, office bearers of bar associations, and other learned members of the bar, officers of the district administration and police, and the officers of the Public Works Department, member of the press, and distinguished guests. A very warm and cordial welcome to each one of you on this momentous and truly historic occasion, the inauguration of the Court of the Civil Judge Junior Division and the Court of the Judicial Magistrate First Class. It is a moment of profound pride and privilege for us to witness the birth of these new courts, institutions that stands as another decisive stride towards the strengthening the administration of justice and bringing it closer, ever closer to the doorstep of the common citizen. The establishment of these courts is not a mere administrative formalities, but it is a reaffirmation of our unwavering commitment to the constitutional promise of equal justice for all. The inauguration of these two courts marks a new chapter in the judicial journey of the Jalpaiguri Judgeship and as well as the subdivision of Malbazar. My heartfelt and deepest gratitude to the Honorable Acting Chief Justice, the Honorable High Court at Calcutta, for his precious and valuable time giving for us, and Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha, the Zonal Judge, Jalpaiguri, for her untiring initiative in catalyzing the inauguration event and making it a reality today. We are truly honored and privileged by the gracious presence of our distinguished dignitaries here today. Your presence lends this occasion its dignity and significance, and it inspires every one of us who stands committed to the cause of justice, a cause we serve with integrity, impartiality, and unwavering dedication. I welcome the members of the bar also, our judicial officers, our court staffs, and every stakeholder present here. Without all of our collective efforts, this day wouldn't have materialized and come in reality. It is through our united and relentless effort that the judiciary continues to command the trust, confidence, and respect of the society it serves. As we formally inaugurate these courts today, let us stand together and reaffirm with renewed resolve our shared pledge that justice shall remain accessible, affordable, timely, and unfailingly fair to every citizen of this land. With these words, I once again extend my heartfelt welcome to all our esteemed guests. Thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence and for making it an unforgettable and glorious milestone in the history of Jalpaiguri District Judiciary as well as the subdivision of Malbazar. Thank you very much once again. Now I am handing over the desk to Sudeshna Samanto and Pima Bhutia, Civil Judge Junior Division, Jalpaiguri Sodor, to anchor the occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we now proceed to the ceremonial lighting of the lamp, a cherished tradition that symbolizes the triumph of knowledge over ignorance, wisdom over darkness, and hope over uncertainty. May I respectfully invite our distinguished dignitaries on the stage to kindly come forward and grace this auspicious ceremony by lighting the ceremonial lamp. ফ্যান একটু অফ করে দেবেন না? ফ্যানগুলো একটু অফ করে দিন। Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at a moment of lasting significance in today's program, the unveiling of the commemorative plaque. May I respectfully invite the Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha, Judge High Court at Calcutta, and the Judge in Charge Jalpaiguri, along with our esteemed dignitaries, to kindly proceed for the unveiling of the plaque. This plaque stands as a symbol of our shared vision, dedication, and commitment, and will serve as a lasting reminder of this memorable occasion. May I request everyone to witness this special moment with warm round of applause. It is now my distinct privilege and honor to invite the Honorable Justice Mr. Topobrata Chakraborty, Acting Chief Justice, Calcutta High Court, who is joining us all today virtually on this special occasion to kindly deliver the inaugural address. My Lord.
Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha, Judge in charge for the District of Jalpaiguri. Honorable Justice Parthasarathi Sen, the Additional Zonal Judge of Jalpaiguri. Honorable Justice Kaushik Chando, Honorable Justice Rai Chattopadhyay, and Honorable Justice Ajay Kumar Gupta, who are presently holding the circuit at Jalpaiguri. My all sister and brother judges who have joined virtually, Sri Biraj Vishwas, the Honorable Minister of State for Law and Justice, Government of West Bengal, the Judicial Secretary, Government of West Bengal, Learned Registrar General and the Learned Registrars who are present, Learned District Judge, Jalpaiguri, and other judicial officers who have joined physically and virtually, senior officers of the State of West State Government, the learned members of the bar. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to be present on this significant occasion as we are going to inaugurate the courts of the Civil Judge Junior Division and Judicial Magistrate First Class at Malbazar, Jalpaiguri. Today marks another important milestone in our collective endeavor to bring justice closer to the people. Courts are not built by inanimate items like brick and mortar. They are institutions that uphold the rule of law, protect constitutional values, age-old ethics, and unflinching trust which inspire confidence in the justice delivery system. The establishment of these courts is recognition of the growing needs of the people of Malbazar and the surrounding areas. For many litigants, distance and travel to Jalpaiguri Sodor have long been obstacles to accessing justice. By establishment of these courts, we reaffirm our commitment that justice must be accessible, affordable, and timely for every citizen. The Malbazar subdivision came into existence in the year 2000. Thereafter, on 22nd of December 2003, the Malbazar Fast Track Court began functioning out of rented premises, as no dedicated infrastructure was then available. Given the steady rise in judicial workload in the subdivision, this fast-track court was upgraded in 2013 to the Court of Additional District and Sessions Judge. With the judicial establishment expanding further, a proposal materialized for a dedicated court complex, one that would not only rehouse the Court of the Additional District and Sessions Judge, but also accommodated 3 newly sanctioned courts, namely the Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, the Civil Judge Junior Division, and the Judicial Magistrate. Judiciary bears a solemn responsibility. Every litigant who enters the courtroom places immense faith in the institution. It is our duty to ensure that this faith is respected and honored through fairness, impartiality, integrity, and compassion. I am confident that judicial officers who will preside over these courts will discharge their responsibilities with independence, fairness, wisdom, and sensitivity. The learned members of the bar, who are indispensable members and partners in the administration of justice, will also contribute significantly in ensuring that these courts become model institutions, serving society with dedication and professionalism. I also place on record my sincere appreciation for the Government of West Bengal, the District Administration, the Public Works Department, the High Court Administration, and everyone whose efforts have made this project a reality. Their cooperation reflects the shared commitment of all stakeholders to strengthen the justice delivery system. As we dedicate these courts to the people, let it stand as a symbol of hope, fairness, and constitutional governance. May every person who comes here experience justice that is not only delivered according to law, but also administered with dignity and humanity. With these words, I have great pleasure in declaring the courts of the Civil Judge Junior Division and the Court of Judicial Magistrate at Malbazar formally inaugurated. May this institution serve the people with honor and distinction for generation to come. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Now we are in front of the subdivisional court and additional session judge and special POCSO court, Malbazar. The main building was inaugurated on 5th of the December 2024 by Honorable Justice Bishwajit Basu, Honorable Judge, High Court, Calcutta, and Honorable Judge in Charge, Jalpaiguri District, with assistance of Honorable Justice Partho Sharathi Sen, Honorable Judge, High Court, Calcutta, and Honorable Additional Judge in Charge, Jalpaiguri District. Now we are entering to the main building. In the left corner of the right side, we will have Court of the Judicial Magistrate First Class. This is the eslash of the courtroom. This is the chair for the judges. In the left, we have chair for peshkar, and in the right, there is a chair for stenographers. Here is the witness box along with the sitting area for the lawyers. In the right corner, we have the chamber for the judges. In the left of the entrance, GRO Malbazar's office. Here is the sitting area for the police officials along with the lockups for male and females. Now, with the staircase, we will move towards the first floor. After reaching the first floor, in the very left, this is the Court of the Civil Judge Junior Division. This is the courtroom Ejlas. This is the chair for judges. In the left of the judge's chair, we have Peshkar's chair, and in the right, there is the chair for stenographers. This is the witness box along with the sitting area for the lawyers. In the right corner of the Ejlas, there is a chamber for the judges.
May I now respectfully request Shri Biraj Bishwas, Minister of State of the Law and Judicial Department, West Bengal, to address the gathering and share your thoughts as we celebrate this significant inauguration.
With due permission of your lordships, Honorable Justice Topopatto Chakraborty, Acting Chief Justice of High Court, Calcutta,
Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha, Honorable Zonal Judge of Jalpaiguri, Honorable Justice Kaushik Chandra, Honorable Judge of High Court Calcutta, Honorable Justice Roy Chatterjee, Honorable Judge of High Court Calcutta, Honorable Justice Ajoy Gupta, Honorable Judge of High Court Calcutta, Sri Siddharth Kanjilal, Principal Secretary, Judicial Department, Sri Indranil Bhattacharya, Learned District Judge, Jalpaiguri, Sri Vibhuti Keshong, Registrar, Circuit Bench of High Court at Jalpaiguri, Learned Judicial Officer, members of Bar, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's a matter of immense pride and privilege to be present today on the occasion of the inauguration of the Court of Civil Judge, Junior Division, and the Court of Judicial Magistrate of the First Class at Malbazar. I consider it an honor to share this august dais with such distinguished members of the judiciary and the legal fraternity. Today marks far more than the opening of 2 new courts. It signifies another important step in our collective endeavor to make justice more accessible, more efficient, and more responsive to the needs of the people. Malbazar occupies a unique place in North Bengal. Surrounded by lush tree garden of doers, rich forest, vibrant tribal and rural communities, it has evolved into an important administrative and commercial center. Yet for many years, people from the remote villages and the tea garden areas had to travel considerable distance to seek justice. With the establishment of this court, justice comes closer to the people, and that is the true spirit of our constitutional promise. My journey from the bar to the public life has only deepened my conviction that an independent judiciary, accessible courts, and robust justice delivery systems are the cornerstones of vibrant democracy. Having witnessed firsthand the access to justice is important as justice itself, I firmly believe that a court is not merely a place where disputes are resolved, but a temple of justice where every individual, irrespective of the social or economic status, stands equal before the law. For justice delayed is justice denied, and justice rendered inaccessible by distance or inadequate infrastructure is equally incomplete. The government of West Bengal, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Shubhendu Adhikari, remain firmly committed to strengthening the judicial infrastructure across the state. We believe that the rule of law flourishes when the quality judicial institutions are available at the doorstep of every citizen. Along with the developing modern court infrastructure, we continue to support digital courts, e-courts initiative, computerization, technology-driven services that makes the judiciary justice delivery system more transparent, efficient, and citizen-friendly, while fully respecting the independence of the judiciary. The establishment of these courts, 2 courts, will significantly reduce the burden on existing courts, shorten travel for the litigants, advocates, and witnesses, and contribute to the faster and more effective disposal of the cases. Above all, it will strengthen the public confidence in the administration of justice. On this occasion, I express my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Justice Tapabrata Chakraborty, Acting Chief Justice of High Court Calcutta, Honorable Judges of the High Court Calcutta, the District Judiciary of Jalpaiguri, the Judicial Department, the Public Works Department, and every officer and the staff members whose dedication and cooperation have made today inauguration possible. The development of judicial infrastructure is always the result of collective efforts and shared commitment. I am confident that this newly inaugurated courts will serve the people of Malbazar with distinction for generations to come. May this stand an enduring symbols of fairness, impartiality, compassion, and the constitutional value that bind our nation together. With these words, I congratulate everybody associated with this historical occasion and extend my heartfelt best wishes for the successful functioning of this court. Thank you. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.
Thank you, sir. The epilogue to this joyous occasion will now be orchestrated by the vote of thanks to be presented by the Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha, Judge High Court at Calcutta, and the Judge in charge of Jalpaiguri. Your Lordship may kindly do the honor.
Honorable Justice Tapabrata Chakraborty, the Acting Chief Justice of the High Court at Calcutta, Honorable Justice Kaushik Chandra, the Honorable Justice Rai Chattopadhyay, Honorable Justice Partho Sarathi Sen, and Honorable Justice Ajay Kumar Gupta, along with all the honorable judges who have joined us virtually, the Honorable Minister of State for Law Department, Judicial Department, and the North Bengal Development Department, Government of West Bengal, the Principal Secretary, Judicial Department, the Additional Superintendent of Police, Jalpaiguri, the Officer in Charge, Malbazar Police Station, the Superintending Engineer of the Public Works Department, Jalpaiguri, the office bearers of the Bar Association, and the all other learned members of the bar, the officers of the district administration and the police, the officers of the Public Works Department, the members of the press, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. It is my honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this solemn occasion of the inauguration of this court of the Civil Judge Junior Division and the Court of the Judicial Magistrate First Class. Sanction of these two courts was issued long back, but it is only today that the same could have been inaugurated with the help and cooperation of all concerned. Let me tell you that it took practically only 3 days. Monday was a holiday, and within Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, this program has been fixed, and today it is so very successful. The presence of so many respectable dignitaries is a testimony to the importance of these courts. I am deeply thankful to Honorable Justice Tapabrata Chakraborty, the Acting Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court, and all other dignitaries who are present here in consenting to and taking part in the inaugural program. I express my heartfelt gratitude to the honorable judges who are in circuit over here. Today being the last day, all of us have got a lot of last-minute touches to be done to the judgments and the orders. Even despite the busy schedule, all my colleagues over here in the circuit have joined here. We left at around 8 in the morning to reach here on time. And here the program is so very successful. Thank you, everybody. I thank the members of the district judiciary who are present here for their vision in expanding the institution of the Jalpaiguri district judiciary and making it more accessible at this remote subdivision. It took us more than 1 hour and 20 minutes to reach this place from the Shodor. It is 56 kilometers away from the Shodor court. Thank you, the district administration, the Public Works Department, the police, and everybody for making this event so successful and in such a short span of time. My appreciation to all the members of the Bar Association who are present here and who will enjoy the facilities of the two courts. Congratulations to all the litigants who will get the benefit of the two courts once they start functional. I will request the Honorable Acting Chief Justice to please ensure and see that the seats over here are filled up soon. I thank the ministerial staff whose efforts have made today's event possible, and the litigant public will enjoy the benefit of this. My special thanks to my registry members. We have troubled a lot to Mr. Shurojit De, who is there in Kolkata, and all along cooperating with the district judge as well as the registrar of the Jalpaiguri Circuit Bench. Thank you, everybody. I hope this court will be able to reach justice to the doorsteps of the litigants. Thank you. Namaskar and Jai Hind.
I now seek kind permission of the Honorable Acting Chief Justice of the Honorable High Court at Calcutta to conclude the memorable inaugural ceremony. I request everyone to kindly rise for the national song, followed by the national anthem.
Now national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
With this, we conclude today's inaugural ceremony and extend our sincere gratitude to our esteemed dignitaries, distinguished guests, and all those who have graced this occasion with their presence. It has been a pleasure to be given the opportunity to conduct the program. Thank you.